Thank you so much for joining me in this course. It's truly been a pleasure teaching you. And I know that the tips, techniques, and strategies that we discussed here today are going to help you grow your business. Now I want to be able to take you to the next level in your business, and I know that's going to be found in Sales Funnel Secrets. I know because I had the pleasure and the honor of being able to edit this book, and it has truly taught me some of the most amazing business methodologies and strategies that I never knew before, even in my 10 years of being online. And I know that you guys are going to find the same aha moments that I did as well. It truly is the playbook to multiplying your business online, whether you're just getting started or you've had a business for years. And in fact, we know it's going to change your life and your business so much that Zach has agreed to give you this book for free. And all you have to do is simply pay for the shipping so that we can send it to your doorstep anywhere in the world. And all you have to do is go to go.zach-miller.com/book and you can get it completely free. It's going to more than double your business because the aha moments that are filled in this book, it's jam-packed full of goodies. I can't say enough good things about it. You're going to learn concepts like the value ladder, of course, sales funnels and what those are, and how you can utilize sales funnels and multiple sales funnels to build not only a 6-figure business, but 7- and 8-figure businesses as well. And it's so much simpler than you may think. So go on over to go.zach-miller.com/book and change your life and your business today. You're going to love it.